What's up, guys? My name is Chase Minnifield. I'm the CEO of EZOS, a multi-million dollar tech company focused in the property management sector, building software around artificial intelligence and really trying to automate the process of facilities, leasing, regional management, trying to really replicate the critical staff members of a property management company. So today, with that being my background, I wanted to talk about the top 3 trends that I'm seeing in AI right now and how it's shaping businesses in 2025. So for anybody that thinks artificial intelligence is no longer the future, you must be crazy. It's currently the present. Businesses that adopt AI now, they're going to dominate 2025. The things that are really changing today, I'm going to be breaking down the top 3 things that I see that are trends that are revolutionizing how businesses operate, make decisions, and connect with customers. So yeah, let's dive right into this. So AI right now, we've basically taken this into account where, we're a vertically integrated company in the property management sector, but we're utilizing some of these horizontally driven companies that are trying to utilize that to basically increase our customers' user experience across the board. And I believe that, the people that revolutionize and that can take this new technology capability and this new technology trend and apply it to the industry or the expertise that they are kind of solving or the niche that they're solving will gain a giant advantage over some of these larger incumbents who have larger solutions that they have to kind of root up and try to figure out what does their new customer experience look like. So I'm gonna look at the top 3 things that I'm seeing so far. So number 1 is AI powered decision making. The ability for the user to have a little less mental stress taken off of their plate with the ability of AI being able to help them with just mundane decision making. Like, who isn't writing an email today, throwing it in ChatGPT and being like, is there a better way to write this, make this sound less, this doesn't sound how I wanted to sound. And instead of me spending that brain power to go and just be like, all right, let me rewrite this. Throw it in there, let them give a suggestion back and see what you think, and you can maybe make some edits off that. Like, that type of decision making, I think, is becoming just general everyday use case of artificial intelligence. The ability to try to augment and speed up a day-to-day worker's capability, I think is where this AI decision making is coming. So AI powered decision making, my first trend that I'm seeing, it's making smarter, faster decisions. Obviously, I just talked about ChatGPT, but you also have Google Cloud AI. They're not just analyzing data, they're predicting trends. They're highlighting customers' behaviors. They're giving you insights used to take entire teams a week to figure out. So, with EZOS, we've actually implemented a couple things that allow for faster decision making and using it and backing it off AI. And really, if you can save people time, if you can show return on time, with this, I think it's a no-brainer to spend a little extra money to have more time. Time is one of the things we can't get back, and AI is giving us the ability to really capture that capability. So, if anybody was looking to build something right now or had an idea right now, I would be thinking about how can I create something that, one, speeds up somebody's processes or makes it a process they don't have to think about no more. So from like a boss standpoint, if it's something that I don't have to think about no more and it can be taken off my plate in a full capacity, sign me up. So that's the first thing that I'm seeing. Second thing is automation and efficiency, which kind of goes around with the AI powered decision making, but it's a little bit different in my mind. When you're talking about automation and efficiency, how much of my day to day can we take out of my hands so I can focus on? There's some things that require the human touch, right? And the human decision making and deciphering. But those things that are just like reading through things or analyzing things, looking through the data, can we automate and give me the same type of capability where if I did do it, it would be the same results? I think AI is able to do that right now, where it's giving people the ability to say, all right, hey, instead of me actually running through and spending the next 3 to 4 hours doing this, let me get this done in the next 5-10 minutes with AI. So the ability to do automation, the ability to do efficiency, and ultimately individuals, they just want to be efficient with their time. They want to do things that they need to do. They want to spend time on things that they need to spend time on. And the ability for us to automate that and make people's jobs efficient, I think is a no-brainer with AI right now. There's a big thing that I read recently where it's like there's a difference between automation There's a difference between AI workflows, and there's a difference between like AI like processing and decision making, which is kind of the first thing we talked about, right? Those are three different things. Automation is more so just like if this happens, do this, which we could utilize. And if we utilize AI to do that, then you're doing a workflow. But then if you're letting AI handle the entire process of like when this happens, make a decision either this way or this way based on if you see this or that, that is when you get to the full capability of like what AI is getting to at this point in time in 2025. So that's the second trend I'm seeing. The third trend is basically customer experience, right? Or how I see it is user experience. Being a tech CEO, the user experience can be so much greater with AI right now. It's not just build a product and it's a one size fit all product, which is a lot of what SaaS has done so far. The biggest companies in SaaS and property management, they've done one size fits all products. And with AI, we're allowed to create basically an individualized, customized experience based on multiple factors what you're looking at, whether it's in my case, you're looking at properties, you're looking at individuals at properties, taking those two factors and being like, what should this experience be like for this specific person at this specific property? You know, whether we're looking at Instagram, we're seeing that when you're scrolling down the timeline, you're seeing a lot of things that have to do with your personal experience. So those different types of things, that's what the consumer is looking for now with AI and how it's affecting the market and the industry and the world, is that we're not looking for a one size fit all solution. We're looking for what is my solution, what is my best experience. And people that aren't evolving with that, they're going to be left in the dust when it comes to companies that are being able to provide that type of experience from their products or from their services. So yeah, those are the top three things that I'm seeing right now in, you know, AI and how businesses are using it to shape their 2025s and beyond. So if you got any businesses and you're thinking about starting something, take this advice and create something in these categories. If you have your own business, you need to start applying these three things. Feel free to leave messages, leave comments. Let me know how you're using AI and what you're seeing in the future. Thank you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.